Tired of complicated money transfers? I'm about to make moving money with your GO2BANK debit card a breeze, so stick around. First, unlock your phone and tap the GO2BANK app icon to open it. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from your app store. Once you're logged in, look for the transfer button. It might be on the main dashboard or in the menu. Tap it to initiate the transfer process. Now you will see options for different transfer methods. If you are sending money to another GO2BANK user, choose the To Another GO2BANK Account option. If you're sending funds to someone at a different bank, select To an External Bank Account. If transferring to an external account, carefully enter the recipient's bank account number and routing number. Double-check this information before proceeding to avoid errors. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any daily or transaction limits set by GO2BANK. You can usually find this information in your account settings. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the recipient's information and the transfer amount. If everything looks correct, tap the Confirm button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer was successful. Also, keep an eye on your email for a transfer confirmation from GO2BANK. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, like errors or delays, don't hesitate to reach out to GO2BANK's customer support. You can find their contact information on their website or within the app. Now you know the simple steps to transfer money easily with your GO2BANK debit card.